A balloon, ninth question, 6.1. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the radius is 10 cm. A balloon which always remains spherical means we have to take the formula of sphere. Let V be the volume of the sphere. V be the volume of the sphere. जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर क्या है, V इक्वल टू 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. वी हैव टू फाइंड dV by dr. dV by dr यू कैलकुलेट 4/3 पाई r⁻³ का डिफ्रेंसिएशन होगा 2r⁻3 r⁻². 3 will get cancel. This equal to 4 pi r⁻². Very simple question. A balloon which always remains spherical, that means we have to take formula of sphere, has radius, variable radius, different radius. Find the rate at which volume is increasing with the radius. That means we have to find volume V dV with respect to r radius, dV by dr. You have to calculate dV by dr. Very simple. Just differentiate V with respect to r when the radius is 10 cm. r की वैल्यू यहाँ पर हमें 10 डालना है. So dV by dr when r equal to 10 cm. तो 4 पाई यहाँ पर 10 का स्क्वायर लेना होगा. 10 का स्क्वायर 100 होगा. 100 इंटू 4 इज़ 400 पाई. यूनिट कैसे लेना है हमें, वॉल्यूम का यूनिट होगा सेंटीमीटर क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम का यूनिट यहाँ पर, रेडियस का यूनिट यहाँ पर सेंटीमीटर दिया गया. यहाँ पर टाइम नहीं है, ओनली dV by dr we have to calculate. A balloon which always remains spherical means स्फीयर का फार्मूला लेना है वॉल्यूम का. सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रेडियस डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है, व्हेन रेडियस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर डालना है. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. अ लैडर 5 मीटर लॉन्ग इज लीनिंग अगेंस्ट द वॉल. एक लैडर है, ये वॉल से लगी हुई है. लैडर 5 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. इसे यहाँ से यहाँ पर सरकाया जा रहा है. pulled along the away from the wall at the rate of 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड से इसे आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है. How fast is the height of the wall decreasing? अगर इसे यहाँ से बढ़ाया गया तो ये यहाँ पर इसकी ये डिक्रीज होगी. टेक वन एंड अदर, या वॉल की हाइट जो है इसकी डिक्रीज होगी. सो 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड के हिसाब से द एक्स इज इंक्रीजिंग हियर एंड इट इज गिवन हाइट ऑफ द लैडर इज 5 मीटर लॉन्ग. सो हाउ फास्ट इज द हाइट ऑफ द वॉल is decreasing. A height of the wall decrease, how fast is the wall decreasing, you have to calculate. When the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, ये 4 मीटर अवे जाने के बाद इसकी ये हाइट कितनी कम होगी. So take this as x and this as y. So at any time ए बी इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर होगा. सपोज टेक दिस एज ए बी सी हियर. सो विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम हियर. एट एनी टाइम टी take this point as a, x, y, this point as B. This is 5 meter. Let A be equal to 5 meter, be the position of the ladder. This is the position of the ladder, be the position of the ladder. OA equal to X, this OA X and OB Y. Then by Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two sides. So phi square equal to x square plus y square, or x square plus y square equal to phi square. Differentiate with respect to x. So 2x dx by dt. With respect to t, we are taking here 2y dy by dt equal to phi square, constant का square 0. Take 2 as common. X से dx by dt plus y dy by dt equal to 0. ये 2 0 में चला जाएगा और 2 will not be equal to 0. Therefore this term equal to 0. So it is x से dx by dt plus y dy by dt equal to 0. Since x square plus y square equal to 25, so यहाँ पर y की वैल्यू हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. y square equal to 25 minus x square, y square equal to 25 minus x square. It is given x square plus y square equal to by this triangle x square plus y square equal to phi square. So y square equal to 25 minus x square, y equal to plus or minus root 25 minus x square. We have to take positive sign only because y is greater than 0. So when x equal to 4 centimeter, when x equal to 4, because in question it is given when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, that means this ground 4 meter away from the wall, that means x equal to 4, put here. When x equal to 4, y, the value of y will become 25 minus 4 square 16 root 9, that is 3. Y equal to 3. So y equal to 3 centimeter. Again given क्या है यहाँ पर, dx by dt equal to 2 centimeter per second, because at the rate of 2 centimeter per second the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Here it is changing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second. सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सो इसे मीटर में बना लो, 0.02 मीटर पर सेकेंड होगा. टू फाइंड dy by dt, dy by dt we have to calculate. So 4 into x from 1, from here phi square equal to this one, four into 0.02 plus 3 dy by dx equal to 0. That means 0.08 plus 3, put dy by dx as same as it is So dy by dt here, dy by dt is equal to minus 0.08 divided by 3 meter per second. So rate of decrease of height on the wall is 0.08. Here height is decreasing, so it is minus sign. Therefore rate of decrease of height of wall is 0.08 by 3 meter per second. Here you are writing decrease, so you should not write minus sign. So it is 8 by 3, 0.08 by 3 centimeter per second. Now come to the 11th question. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So it is given 6y equal to x cube plus 2. It is given. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. That means dy by dx you have to find. And it is again given that dy by dx equal to 8. Now differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. 6y, 6 differentiation of y is dy by dx 3x raised to 2 plus 0. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. dy by dx equal to x square divided by 2. Put this as equation 1. Here dy by dx is given 8 here. 8 equal to x square by 2. Cross multiplication 16 equal to x square. That means x square equal to 16, x equal to plus or minus 4. We have to find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast. So it is dy by dx is 8 times changing here. So dy by dx we have taken 8 here. So 2 points are there here. When x equal to 4, then 6y equal to, in this put in this equation, 6y equal to x cube plus 2. That means put the value of x as 4 here. 4 cube plus 2, 6y equal to 4 cube is 6y को नीचे लो, 6 को नीचे लो, y equal to 66 by 6, that is 11. x के 2 पॉइंट हैं +4 and -4. Now take when x equal to -4, 6y equal to -4 का क्यूब भी -4 क्यूब plus 2 divided by 6 will become -62 divided by 6, that is -31, because odd minus sign will come here. Power is odd. -31 by 3. Therefore required points are 4, 11. This when x equal to 4, y 11. When x equal to -4, y is -31/3. These are the points you have to find here. Find the points on the curve which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast. You have to find the coordinates here. This is the solution of question number 12. Now come to question number 11. It is come to question number 12. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of ½ centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 meter? Here the balloon spherical it is given. The radius of a air bubble is increasing. Again we have to take the sphere formula. At the rate of ½ centimeter per second, at what rate the volume of the bubble increasing? Here bubble is given, so we have to take volume of sphere formula. So again the same formula. Let V be the volume and R be the radius of the bubble. Let V be the volume and R be the radius of the bubble. V equal to यही फार्मूला लेना है 4/3 स्फीयर का ही फार्मूला हमें लेना है क्योंकि स्फीयर फॉर्म में होता है. दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. गिवन है dr/dt at the rate the radius is increasing. Here second is given, so we have to take the radius of an air bubble dr/dt with respect to time. Second unit is given, therefore we have to take dr/dt. So dr/dt is given 1/2 centimeter per second. We have to find dv/dt when r equal to 1 centimeter. Now first take dv/dt. So v is 4/3 pi r cube. dv/dt equal to 4/3 ऐसे ही रखो कांस्टेंट, पाई को भी ऐसे ही रखो. r⁻³ का फार्मूला होगा, डिफ्रेंशिएशन होगा 3r⁻² इंटू विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t कर रहे हैं हम डिफ्रेंशिएट, इसलिए dr/dt दिस इक्वल टू 4/3 pi 3 will get cancel 4 pi into dr/dt is given 1/2 r⁻², 1/2. Here again 2 1 2, 2 2 4, dv/dt. We have to calculate dv/dt at radius 1 centimeter. So dv/dt at r equal to 1 is here 2 into pi into 2 pi 1, that is 2 pi. Here volume is in centimeter cube, time is in second, so you have to take unit as centimeter cube per second. So this is the answer for question number 12. Now come to question 13. 13 question is also very simple. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3/2 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Again let V be the volume. Here sphere is given, so volume of a sphere is V equal to 4/3 pi r³. Take this as equation 1. And diameter is given, diameter is 3/2. Diameter means 2 times radius. 2 times radius, it is given 3/2 2x plus 1. This 2 will get cancelled, so radius we will get 3/4 2x plus 1. Now take v, put the value of radius here, v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put r as 3 by 4, 2x plus 1. Three by 4, 2x plus 1 whole cube, 4 by 3 pi, 3 का क्यूब होगा 9, 4 का क्यूब होगा 16, 4 4 जाए, फोर का क्यूब होगा 4 4 4, 16 into 4 and 2x plus 1 bracket raised to 3. So here 3 3 ja 9, 1 4 will get cancelled with this. थ्री का क्यूब होगा, एक और 3 यहाँ पर बच जाएगा, तो आंसर विल बिकम 9 पाई डिवाइडेड बाय 16, ये 2x plus 1 ब्रैकेट क्यूब, ये वॉल्यूम. अब हमें यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम रेडियस में मिल गया. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x dv बाय dt इक्वल टू 9 पाई बाय 16 कांस्टेंट है, ऐसे ही रखो. 2x plus 1 ब्रैकेट रेज टू 3 का फार्मूला 3 times 2x plus 1 ब्रैकेट रेज टू 2 इंटू डिफ्रेंसिएशन ऑफ 2x plus 1 इज 2 इंटू एक्स का 2 होगा, 1 का कांस्टेंट 0. सो dv बाई dt इज 3 9 जा 27 पाई डिवाइडेड बाई 8, 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16 and 2x plus 1 bracket square. So this is solution for this question. A balloon which always remains spherical and diameter is given. V spherical का फार्मूला, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्फीयर, डायमीटर 2r इक्वल टू ये है, तो r की वैल्यू इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो वापस. सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद r क्यूब है, क्यूब कैलकुलेट करो, v की वैल्यू इतनी आएगी. इसके बाद डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t करो, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट कम टू द क्वेश्चन 14.